So we all know what happens when someone visits a route that doesn't exist in Laravel. You get that default 404 page. It's fine during development, but in production, it's not a great experience. Let me show you how to handle it properly using Laravel's fallback route. All right, so let me first show you what happens right now. If I visit a random URL like slash some unknown path, Laravel gives me a basic 404 page. Now this is okay, but imagine showing your users a custom page with helpful links or a search bar instead. Laravel has a built-in method for that. You just define a fallback route like this. This fallback route will only run if no other route matches. It's like a last line of defense. Now let me go ahead and hit that same unknown URL again. And you can see here, it's now showing the custom fallback view instead of the default 404. And just so you know, you can do whatever you want inside this fallback. You can return a view, log the missing page, or even redirect the user somewhere safe. One quick thing to remember, only define one fallback route, and make sure it's at the very bottom of your routes file. Laravel will use the first one it finds, so if you place it too early, it might catch things you don't want it to. So that's it. A super simple way to give your users a better 404 experience. And yeah, it works out of the box, nothing extra to install.